Hey guys, what is going on? This is Matt here, and welcome back to some more mapping tutorials. So then guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually make your map files, and I'm going to be opening up Radiant just to show you guys a very brief look at Radiant. So I don't want to make each video too long. I want to keep it nice and short so you guys hopefully understand everything and you don't find anything too difficult. So then, what you need to do is you'll have your script placer. In fact, let me just make one just so I can actually show you. So when you download your script placer, you downloaded it like this. Now all you do is you right click and click extract here, and then that will create this sort of folder over here. Just delete that. So yeah, once you've got this folder, you need to go into your script placer folder like this. Right click on generator and run it as administrator. So then, now we've got this, you can actually close down this window now at the back. You don't need it. Right, this is like your interface now then for actually creating your map files. So Nazi Zombie, your map name is what you're going to type. I'm going to come on YouTube. Now this isn't your actual map name. It's very weird, like difficult and weird to explain, but this is like the code name for it. So this is like the name that the game understands it by. For example, Nazi Zombie Verut is actually Nazi Zombie _ Asylum. Doris is actually a factory, and Shinonuma is Sumph. So yeah, guys, they're not actually the official map name. You'll create your map name when you're doing like main menu buttons and when you're editing other stuff. But I find it's always best to actually name it with your map name, because when people launch it in the mod launcher in World at War, that's what they're gonna be clicking on. So if it's something similar or the same as your map name, it's gonna be a lot more easier for them to just select your mod, because it will obviously be the same name. So then, next we need to select one of these map types. Now then, prototype maps are maps that are like Natja Untold. So everything you have in Natja Untold you will have in a prototype map. Everything you have in any other map you'll have in a Reese map. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a Reese map for this, because I want teleporters and things like that in. I want a more advanced map than just like the bare basics. So yeah, what you need to do next is click generate. Say generate successful. Now if it doesn't say generate successful, it's because you've either used the Asylum, Sumph or Factory map name, because obviously they already exist. You've either got files. I don't know why you would have files, but you've either got files in your root directory that already refer to your map name. I don't know how that would even happen, but you could have done something. I don't know. So yeah, you've either got files that already exist, or you just haven't run it as administrator and give it the full permissions. So make sure you do run it as administrator, and you shouldn't come into that error. So then next we'll open the launcher. I'll show you guys around the launcher very briefly, and then we'll open up Radiant and I'll give you a quick show on there. So then, ignore some of these maps. These are the maps that I'm working on at the moment. So yeah, you can see we've got YouTube. These are the ones that we just created. And we've got tutorial. These are the ones that we put into our root directory. The Nazi Zombie tutorial v2.0. That's what came with that. You can use that later on for like copying things over and using it as a reference, for example, copying the spawn points over so you can use them in your own map and things like that, and copying just various different things. Yeah, so then we don't need to touch any of these yet. You can click off it or whatever. It won't load it in Radiant when you click on it. So we'll be using all these things here. Now you don't need to have these selected yet. I'll show you what you need to have selected, because as you can see, I already compiled my map, so I've got them all auto-filled for me. But yeah, you'll be compiling your maps when you actually finish it. Not finish, but when you going in game and test your map, you'll be compiling it all then. So then you need to open up Radiant by clicking on Radiant. Remember, make sure you have everything here run as administrator. Okay, you need to click that little folder icon and open up your map name. So mine is YouTube. So you'll get this. Now we don't actually want this map, because it's like the map it's the map that came with it. When you created your map file. So press the I key and press the backspace. Delete your map. You can save that if you want. So then, that's pretty much like the very extreme basics of Radiant. I'm not going to go into how to actually create a map yet, because I'll be doing that in the next video. But yeah, guys, I'm going to actually end this here then. Make sure you do watch the next video though, so you can see how to actually create maps and you know how to actually do like the extreme basics of Radiant. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching this. Thanks for your support as always, and I'll see you guys later.